feeling overwhelmed by the endless tasks and responsibilities that are on your plate, it's time to streamline your operations by implementing effective systems and procedures to delegate more. My name's Ian Finney. I'm a business and executive coach working with businesses and their owners that want to implement robust systems and procedures for maximum efficiency and growth. If you're ready to eliminate chaos, improve consistency, and scale your operations seamlessly while getting more time back for yourself, then stay tuned. Today, I'll reveal the best practices and strategies to develop an effective organisational chart and set the positional statements within that chart. So let's get going. Step 1. Develop your business's organisational chart by starting to map out your current and future business structure. Identify the key functions and the key departments within your organisation. Then create your organisational chart using a simple tool like Excel or even good old-fashioned pen and paper. If you'd like a chart template, email me the address at the end of the clip and I'll send you one over. No catch. When filling out your chart, make sure that it clearly outlines the hierarchy positions as well as their reporting relationships. This visual representation will help you and your team understand the overall structure of the business, and even better, it'll improve communication. Step 2. Define positional job roles. What are the specific roles and responsibilities for each position in your organisational chart? Write detailed job descriptions for them that include the required skills, qualifications, and the daily tasks. Clear jobs roles ensure that everybody knows their responsibilities, reducing confusion and increasing productivity. Step 3. We then create employment contracts. Develop a standard employment contract for each role. These contracts should outline job duties, expectations, pay, and other essential terms of employment. Having these formal contracts in place protects both you and your employees by setting clear expectations from day one. Step 4. Handle company administration processes. Establish systems for managing your company's administrative tasks. This includes everything from payroll and accounting to customer service and stock management. I've spoken in previous videos about the importance of software tools to automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and ensure that processes are documented and followed consistently. I make no apologies for repeating that here again. Make sure you install these business tools in your business operations. Implementing these systems and procedures really will transform your business operation. You'll create a structured environment where everybody knows their own role and responsibility, leading to efficiency and, more importantly, growth. So start streamlining your business today and experience the benefits of a well-organised, efficient company. Remember, a successful business runs on clear systems and procedures. So are you ready to organise your business future, transform your business, and skyrocket your success? You are? Well, don't wait. Take that first step today. Visit actioncoach.co.uk/Ian Finney to learn more. Alternatively, WhatsApp or call me on 07716 292 378 for initial conversation, or comment yes below to get started on your journey to greater profits and a more streamlined business. Let's make your business dreams a reality together.